We've just acquired this Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel. It's the R Sport. They're very rare to come by in the R Sport. It's got the R Sport full body styling kit on it. R Sport grille, red badge, upgraded alloy wheels. It's finished in anthracite grey. It's in absolutely lovely condition. The cam belt and water pump has been changed on this vehicle. It's got the rear park distance control, electric operated tailgate. As you can see, the tannoy covers there. The boot space is absolutely in superb condition. A lot of space in here as well, look at that. It's got the half leather Alcantara R Sport trim. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start the car up. All the warning lights come on and off. It's shown 101,616 miles. Vehicle does have paddle shift for the automatic gearbox if you want to do it manually off paddle shift. You've got cruise control. You've got multifunction steering wheel, R Sport steering wheel. All the electrically operated air vents open and close as they should. It's got satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth for phone. It's got Bluetooth for media as well. Full climate control. Absolutely stunning condition throughout. Got the aux and a USB there as well. At DJH we do offer full dealer facilities, including arranging finance, warranty packages and part exchange. Please give us a call if you've got any further information on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.